In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reduce noise on your videos in Filmora. Now, Filmora has provided one of the best tools that helps you to reduce noise on your videos using AI. So I have here an audio and I'd like to go ahead and reduce noise from it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and add your audio, and I have mine here. Then head over to this edit and it will take you to audio edits. From this, scroll down until you get to this denoise. So this is a noise removal tool that you can use in Filmora. Now under this, go ahead and turn on denoise, and this will go ahead and start the noise removal process. So wait for it until it is over, and it will go ahead and process your audio and remove any noise if it is found. Now once the processing is done, you can see the level of noise removal that has been applied. So you can go ahead and listen in.
Not quite sure where to begin.
And look at that. You can also go ahead and adjust this to any level that you wish, and it will be applied immediately. Once you are done, go ahead and listen in. And once you are comfortable with your level of noise removal, go ahead and click on OK, and that is it. At this point now, if you had a lot of noise in your video or in your audio, you should be able to get a better or the best quality of your audio. So you can go ahead and use this AI tool to remove background noise on your audio. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.